I'm with Eric and Samay. We're leaving, gonna go get a couple ducks for today.
Get some ducks, slaughter that motherfucker, and make some roast duck.
Yeah, let's do it.
Take the next right onto Southeast Johnson Creek Boulevard.
Heading to Oregon City. Nice day out too. Sun's out.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto the ramp to Oregon City.
This one's a little bit more. That one's more tense. That one's a little younger. Chill. Good. Oh Lord. That is what I hate.
Shit, you know who
More.
So we got the blood from the duck. Let me see. What are you adding to it?
It's the fish sauce.
The fish sauce?
Yeah, I coagulate it up a little bit.
Okay.
You know what I mean? The fish sauce on there, coagulates the blood. And just gives a little bit of flavor.
Okay.
Duck blood.
Now we got the water boiling. Get ready to pluck the feathers. Still got the ducks over here. One of them still moving around, the other one's completely gone. Gonna roast them. And just plucking the feathers off.
Yep.
So we dipping in that hot pot over there with the water boiling. And then after that we can start plucking the feathers.
That's all good, you know what I mean? But
Yeah, well, are we gonna torch it afterwards, or how do you guys usually do the ducks?
yeah.
No, whatever feather that you cannot get by hand.
Usually just, I torch it, but just cut it up and just cook it. Usually throw it in the oven. Well, the head usually get fucking roasted.
Yeah.
There are different ways of making it. Me, I don't know how my mom's make it. Usually, yeah, you know the head though. It's just usually gets roasted up. Yep. I'm a little quicker now.
There's a lot of meat on it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, damn.
Yep.
It's going sad on that.
No, I'm doing like this.
Roasted duck coming up.
Get on the mom. My mom was telling me to cut the leg off.
Limb by limb.
Yeah. This just be like chicken. I'm gonna cut the top of chicken in a while. Throw it down here. Throw it down there. Let me fill it in here. There you go.
Say đây. Chị biết.
There, right side, no way. That
Duck's pretty big.
ought to be here. There he is, well. And so here, kind of close tonight. There you go, got the neck. There. Breast. They do it differently. So. Well, the mom wants to find the skin. Yeah, rib cage, meat. You still roast this?
Uh-huh.
This is it.
That's what that looked like.
Yeah.
Now you just chop it up into pieces, right?
Yep.
And that's it. That's the last
That's
of
it.
Nice.
That's the end of it.
Was it
This is
duck
your
alive?
result.
Yeah, we went and picked it up alive, came back here. So that's all the duck.
Huh?
That's one duck. We're
Guys,
recording.
This is the meat, you know what I mean? The breast meat and all that crap.
Oh, that crap. That's not crap.
Little salt on here, you know what I mean? We're gonna fry it. I mean, we're gonna put it in the oven.
What you seasoning with?
So this is some the chicken broth powder stuff. You know what I mean? You didn't get it? Some goodie. Yeah, like 2 of that, maybe 3, you know.
Okay.
That's some garlic salt. Just a little
Some
bit.
garlic salt.
Hold on. Garlic salt. Not too much, you know. Nice.
And you're gonna roast this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's roast that. Special ingredient, bro. MSG. MSG goes with everything.
MSG.
Oh yeah. About a teaspoon of that.
Uh-huh.
Right. And then just mix it up, bro. Turn this like here.
Got the duck blood still sitting there.
Look, marinate it up. Gotta cook it for a little bit.
Mixing it up right now.
Yep. Mixing that motherfucker up. And then not too much, but still put a little bit of seasoning in it more.
And over
A little
here.
bit too salty. Oh, that's the skin. I'm boiling that.
Yeah, so that's just meat with the skin on it. Just
Yeah.
boiling it up.
Yeah, I should kind of flay all the skin off the meat as much as I can.
Yeah.
Put some cod in here.
Okay.
You know what cod is.
I don't know what that is. What
Let me
is
see if I can find it in the fridge. Let's use it all. Oh, right here. This stuff right here. Put like 1 whole clove in it.
it? Oh, okay.
That's with water to make it fresh, you know. Open it, check it out.
Does it give it a certain flavor?
Yeah, it does. Give it a good broth, put a little bit of salt in it. A little salt, and you know what I mean, just boil it because we're just base cooking that meat right here that we're gonna chop up later when I'm done with this.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make some lot with it.
All right. Can't wait to see how that turns out. Got you.
Mama, with I don't know, she's do something with the intestines.
She just cleaned the intestines over there.
Yep. So and over here. So
All right, what we got over here?
We left our chopped up shit, you know what I mean? I'm gonna marinate it later and we're gonna fry it. And
Okay.
then 7 minutes go to the soup,
So that's the head,
the body, all the
rib
bones, and
cage,
everything, wings.
feet, the wings.
Yeah, the body.
And that's gonna be made separate.
Yep.
Okay.
That's gonna go to the soup.
Oh, making soup with that.
Yeah, and then
Oh,
we're gonna fry it up too. So half and half, you know.
Yeah.
This thing I gotta get done first with this one, so I can start dicing everything up.
All right.
Mom's helping out. Yep, pretty much it right now.
Okay.
All right. Shit here in the bones, you know, I'm marinating the same way as the other one in there. It's out inside there. All right. Anyways, but then I just add a little bit of black pepper and some oyster sausages on top, just a little coat, you know, not too much.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I have to have two pans because it's not gonna cook right. It's too thick, you know.
Yeah. So you just laying some into this pan right here.
Yep. Then I gotta cook that one first. Hopefully this one will cook up afterwards. And then yeah, pretty much it. The head, you know what I mean? Split the motherfucker in half.
All right, that's enough playing around. Let's.
Yeah, that's it, man. Roast it up. So you know what I mean? We'd have some little salty, little bit of sweetness. Cook it, and, you know.
Okay.
But that's about it.
All right, now you ready to put it in the oven now?
Well, I got this one in the oven.
Oh, there's already one in there.
Yeah, this which is the other one. Remember the one I was marinating earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's the same one.
Okay.
Open if you want.
I'll wait till it's done.
Yep. I just
Actually, I'll take a quick shot of
There
it.
you go, buddy. Yeah, that's
Oh, that's just all the meat, huh?
yeah, it's all the meat because it's get fried up,
Okay.
chopped up.
Nice.
Makes some blood and shit. So,
That's all the produce that you guys are gonna mix with it.
yep.
You got cilantro, you got green onions, and this is the cabbage, right?
Yeah, lettuce and shit. Just
Or lettuce, not cabbage, lettuce.
Yeah.
Romaine lettuce. Okay. Nice.
Yep. All right, and let's wait.
I'll just let that marinate a little bit, wait for the other one to get done,
Definitely.
and then swap them out.
Swap them out. Then I gotta chop up the other ones, little bitty, tiny slices.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, cool.
So, lift this motherfucker up.
Did you put some sauce on top of it?
Yeah, just a little bit of oyster sauce.
Oh,
A little
oyster
bit of
sauce?
black pepper. But the same marinations I did of this one.
Okay.
So this one's
About how
out.
long will that take?
30 minutes maybe.
30 minutes?
About. Depends how it looks like, you know.
So that's the green onions and cilantro?
Yup. There's all the meat here that's been cooked already. We diced it up.
Uh-huh.
Bits and stuff like that. But all the skin I was cooking, right? It's cooking, and then this is all the stuff. I'm just chopping up in small dices like this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all the skin and shit. And then add it on, and hope the blood goes in there, you know. Yep.
Okay.
Dice it small. Pretty much it. So I'm just getting done. The mom over here is cutting some of the intestines and stuff.
That's the intestines?
I think it was. Yeah, it was. Oh no, it's actually in the soup. I believe. Yeah.
So that's gonna be a soup right here?
Mm-hmm.
What all you have in here?
Huh?
What all do you have in here? That's the intestines in here and...
Yeah. We cooked all the skin and stuff in there. Like some of the stuff that I'm cutting up right now, we just boiled it. A little salt and stuff.
And this broth is also gonna be used to make the duck blood, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it depends how my mom's making it. You can though.
Okay.
Mix it with the blood of that. Have gives a little broth. You know, the broth to taste and just eat it.
Yeah.
Yep. Pretty much about it. And I'm just taking my
I'm
time.
just chopping up the skin.
Yep. My little pieces and shit, itty bitty ones. Yep.
And all that is gonna go in one dish?
Yeah.
Okay.
This and that. I like 3 dishes. Pretty much. Not too fancy, just, you know, it's just a little
Yeah,
simple
so
pieces.
is this gonna be mixed with the green onions and the cilantro that we have over here?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do the same thing with this meat too, what I'm doing with the skin.
So
Mix it
same
all
thing,
in. Yep.
same thing with that.
Same thing with this,
Alright.
all that stuff. It's all gonna be chopped up.
Okay.
Those bitty bitty dices.
All right.
There.
So we already ate, but this is the meal. So
It's like lop right here.
that's lop.
The
That's
duck blood
the
in
duck
here.
blood right there.
Some soup, some broth, you know, soup.
All right, we got.
And we
duck
have some
soup.
roasted duck here. We have a lot more in the oven.
Alright.
But, you know, we killed it.
That's that roasted duck, and this is the lettuce.
Lettuce stuff we eat with the hot.
Let's look at the final look at of the roasted duck.
Oh. Yeah.
So this is what it looks like when it's finally done.
Yeah, just kind of roast it up a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
You can leave it a little longer, a little crunchy, you know what I mean? But it's kind of
looks good. Looks delicious.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty much it, you know what I mean? Marinated with
There's more of that lop.
เอาเวลาพักมาให้ประกันมันไปกินได้
That's it.
pretty much it, brother.
Give y'all a second look.
You know, and our special guest over here, Steven over here. In the other video.
That was some intestine right there. Oh yeah.